welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video featuring my beauty Pochette Metis. I have been loving her so much and I just wanted to show you guys how I pack her. So yeah, let's get right into this video. But before we get started, hello, if you are new, my name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button, also the bell notification button, so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So yeah, without further ado, let's really get into this video. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and I have it in the all monogram canvas. It does come in two different other styles. I have the all monogram, and then it comes in the reverse monogram, and then it comes in the empreinte leather, which is really beautiful. But I chose to go all classic this time, and I chose the all monogram. So yeah, let's get right into the what's in my bag. So I'm gonna start from the back, be a little different this time. What I usually put in here is my phone because it's easy, accessible. So here is my phone. I have the Samsung 10 Plus, S10 Plus. So I just stick her right in here, and then I usually put my face mask in here so it's easy, accessible, just to grab and go. And I just love this pouch. It fits so much more. You can even put a card holder in here if you want it to be easy, accessible, anything you want. This pouch is so nice, and I love the chunky zipper. It just gives it such a great characteristic. So yeah, that is what I keep in here. And then let's start inside of the bag. So the way you open the bag is through this button right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but this button right here, and it just pops open like so. So how am I gonna do this? I always struggle on how to hold the bag and do the what's in my bag at the same time, but let's see. Okay, here. Oh, perfect. Okay, so in the front pouch, this bag has 3 sections. So in the front pouch, I usually like to put my wallet, so it is easy and I know where it's at all times. And this is my Gucci Disney wallet. I love it so much, and I'm so glad I was able to bring this out again using this bigger bag. It fits perfectly, so I love using that. And then the second thing that I have in the front pouch is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. You guys know this is my favorite luxury item ever. I am currently holding coins in there because I do not want to put it in this white wallet. That would be such a bad idea. So I love how this bag is organizable, if that is even a word, but it has 3 sections, so it is easily organized, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? I'm really not sure, but that is the front pocket. That's all I put in there because I want to open my bag and be able to get what I need and just put it back where it belongs, and it's easy and just perfect. So I'm switching sides here, but in the middle compartment, it's like a miscellaneous kind of compartment. I just stuff everything that I need, that I use every day. So what I have first, I'm just grabbing everything random, is my wipes. You guys have seen this in every what's in my bag video. It's the cleanse wipe. It's for like technology and like to wipe your hands and all that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my all-time favorite hand sanitizer, and I'm so happy that Bath & Body Works came out with a twisted peppermint. I love this one so much. It smells so good. I love anything peppermint. So this is from the Bath & Body Works, and yeah, I definitely would recommend checking that out. If you're ever in a Bath & Body Works, check it out. And then the third thing that I'm pulling out is my hand sanitizer. You guys saw this in my multi-pochette what's in my bag. I still have this one. I finally finished the sweet cinnamon pumpkin one. Trying to finish this one so I can get Christmas ones. But yeah, this is just the pumpkin cupcake, and it smells so friggin' good. I don't know if Bath & Body Works has these anymore, but if you have this, you know how good this smells. It's so good. Okay, so moving on, the next thing that I'm pulling out are my sunglasses, and you guys have seen these ones before. So yeah, these are my key. Before, I don't know if any of you ever saw like the ad on YouTube of Chrissy Teigen. Is that her name? She did like an ad where she was pronouncing how to say the brand. So ever since I watched that video, I know how to say it, and they're Key. That's what the brand is called, Key. ever since like before I watched the video, I always called them Quay. I don't know, I just said it how I saw it. So yeah, anyway, these are the key hindsight, and I love these because I'll try them on for you guys, even though I have in the past. I just love these sunglasses so much because it covers like half my face, and it's just like a vibe. I don't know, I just like love the vibe. It's like, don't talk to me, I'm not in the mood today, and yeah, just don't bother me, just let me be, let me do my thing, and you do your thing. So that is the vibe I get from these sunglasses, and I wear them all the time. So yeah, I just really like them. And now they came out with like polarized ones, which are really nice. But yeah, I got these last Christmas, and I love these sunglasses so much. I wore them all summer long, and kind of sad it's winter time because I am obsessed with sunglasses, and I can't wear them anymore because it's not as sunny out as it used to be in the summer. So anyway, yeah, these are my key sunglasses. So that is what I have in the middle compartment. I don't know if there's, oh, there's one more thing, and you guys probably are gonna guess what it is. Burt's Bees chapstick, baby. Yep, I love this stuff so much. And yeah, I have nothing else to say about it, but I love it and it's perfect. And if you like that tingly kind of feeling, like when you wear peppermint or something like refreshing, that is the chapstick for you. I love how it like tingles on my lips, and it just, yeah. So is the chap lips. Now that it's getting colder where I live, it's like a necessity. I need to like bring like 2 at a time because I run out so much quicker in the winter. Anyway, yeah, that is in the third compartment. All else that I have in here is the SKU code. So if you guys want this bag, here is the SKU. And yeah, that is all that's in the middle compartment. Now I'm gonna get into the back compartment, which I only carry my keys in. So I like separating my keys from everything else because I don't have the what is it, the Louis, and there's a plane going by. Now I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, as I was saying, is I separate my keys from everything else because I don't have the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder anymore, and I used to carry that in my keys, and then I got more keys and stuff, so I just took it out. But anyway, I like to separate it because I don't want it to scratch anything else like my wallet or stuff. I don't want to scratch the interior of my bags. They're not cheap bags, so I just don't want to ruin the inside. So that is the last item in my bag, and there's nothing else in here. It is empty, and I just love how they have the sections. So this is where my keys were at. This is the miscellaneous, I struggle saying that word, I don't know why, miscellaneous pouch. And then the front pouch is everything that I need if I'm going to the store, easy access, like my wallets, my key pouch, and I'll sometimes put my phone in there too, but also my face mask, just anything else that I like to use when I'm out. So yeah, that is everything that's in this bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little what's my bag video. I love watching these kinds of videos on YouTube. I'm just so curious on what people hold in their handbags. And before getting this bag, I did watch a lot of like Pochette Metis what's in my bags, and it's just so much fun, especially like it like gets me more excited about my handbag, honestly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell. I'm going to be doing a first impressions kind of video on this bag, so yeah, I am super excited about that. I want to share my thoughts with this bag so far. And yeah, so go follow me on Instagram. I will put my name on the screen. I have been uploading there recently, and I take new pictures of my bags and stuff, and it's just so much fun. I did a like unboxing kind of little video. So yeah, go follow me there, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.